In 1987, the ride was designed by me, but started as for the West Michigan Spokesfolks Bicycle Club. That was a local bicycle club. It was patterned after the race across America that was going on at that time, and only a smaller scale, only going across Michigan. It started at the Muskegon State Park on the west coast, where we on Lake Michigan, and it ended at the Bay City State Park across the state. This map my wife and I put together using a typewriter, which I don't know if they exist anymore, and just drawing the route out, and then we put it together with a copy machine using the 17-inch paper, and turned out pretty good. Nobody got lost. I'm very proud of what the ride has become.